Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. Caribbean Broilers CB Group is back with another major investment in Jamaica, this time targeting expansion in both eggs and pork production as it looks to strengthen food security and grow its operations. Chief Executive Officer of CB Group, Matthew Lynn, revealed 2 new projects during the launch of its The Time Is Now campaign on Wednesday.
In the next 12 months, we will invest $1 billion Jamaican dollars to open 2 new company-owned and operated facilities in Jamaica. The first is a 40,000 bird tunnel ventilated modern layer farm. 2 buildings, 50,000 square feet, designed and built to withstand a Category 4 hurricane, and using what they call colony nesting system.
The first project, described as a first of its kind in Jamaica, will see the development of a 40,000 layer farm using a colony nesting system. The investment comes in response to the impact of recent hurricanes on the egg industry and is expected to be operational by September this year. The second investment is focused on increasing pork production, with plans for a 640 sow commercial breeding facility to supply piglets to the company's processing plant.
This is a 40,000 square foot facility, high degree of automation. In fact, we're going to introduce something called an electronic sow feed, which means that every single mother is managed and regulated by a computer, and their diet and nutrition is tracked and monitored and measured and given to them every day automatically.
The breeding facility will also support contract growers and is expected to drive expansion of up to 50% starting March 2027. Together, the projects represent an estimated $2.5 billion investment in the economy.
With these investments, we are seeding and developing an integrated network of pork and egg contract growers that will be 100% tunnel ventilated modern house. The 40,000 layer farm is going to be a pilot. The 640 sow farm is what is going to feed these pig contract growers. And over the next few years, we've been looking to establish relationships with 10 to 15 contract growers to put up approximately 20 buildings.
CB's The Time Is Now campaign aims to double the size of both the table egg and pork industries over the next 10 years. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett.